Most break-ins are smash and grabs where they're trying to get in quickly and quietly. With Krasiva SafeGuard windows, as you can see, that's just not going to happen. Now, if you had security bars or roll shutters, the thief can actually see what your defense is and make sure that he brings the appropriate equipment to get in quickly and quietly. With our windows, they don't look any different, so he doesn't know what you have, he doesn't know what to bring, so therefore he's not prepared. Now, you will have to replace the glass, but what you're not going to have to do is replace the computers, electronics, valuables, maybe even your identity. Why would anyone spend money to replace their windows and then spend additional money for unsightly security bars, or what I like to call prison roll shutters? With Krasiva SafeGuard windows, you get everything in one.